it is. That's the intro for the song that I get asked more than any other song. How do you play that song? Chords are a little different than a lot of worship songs, so we can unpack that for you. I'll show you everything going on in the song. Not too hard, just a few shapes to learn and maybe some theory on why it works, but it goes like this. That's when grace came running, running. Grace came running after me. Grace just like a river washing over me. And the verse. When I was lost and far away, drifting like a ship without a sail. When I was still your enemy, that's when grace came. That's when grace came running after me. When I was going my own way, running from my home like a prodigal. Still I could see you run to me. That's when grace came. That's when grace came. That's when grace came running, running. Back to the chorus, you get it. Running after me. Da, 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 da. River washing over me. Let me show you the bridge. It's like, and it seems too good to be true. It's just like you. You're always surprising. And if it feels too big to embrace, it must be grace. You know I never seen your face. I seen the way you pull me out the depths of my disgrace. I know your love and mercy follow me for all my days and every way. And I believe, cause that's what the Psalms say. Facts. I was sprinting my own Olympics. I was living till I hit the hurdle that left me limping. I was stumbling. My heart was racing, blood was pumping. Thought I know it was coming. Till I looked up. That's when grace came running. And it caught me. Frankly, I find it awfully amazing. No words can contain it. If I try to contain it, it bubbles up by the seams. So I give thanks for this grace with every breath that I breathe. I sing, yeah, you get it. All right, so I did give you the little rap version from D. Wilson. Okay, so I wrote this song with two good friends. D. Wilson from Chicago, he's amazing, and Micah Massey, a longtime 10,000 Fathers coach. So we had so much fun writing this song, and D obviously brought a lot of the soul and fun to this tune, some different chords that I'm used to playing, and probably you are too. So let me show you what's going on with these chords. And really, it's just a matter of learning a few shapes, and you've got it. So the first chord, it's a dominant 3 chord with like an augmented 5. So if I'm playing in the key of G, the 3 dominant is this, and then you're going to actually raise the 5. That right there. So here's the 5, and we're gonna raise that. That's augmented chord. So dominant 3 augmented. Okay, so that B7 augmented in the key of G is what's getting you a lot of that fun, tension, soulful kind of energy. So all you gotta do is just look and figure out how to play those chords, just like that. All right, so it starts with that dominant 3 augmented, and then it's going to go to a minor 6, in this case E minor, and then back to your chord. So you can see every time you get to that chord, you just go back to that shape. You need to be really comfortable with that shape. Chord starts on a C major 7, A minor 7, back to your chord, E minor. There's the whole chorus. So you could obviously play like very dumbed down versions of these chords and just go, that's when grace came running, running, grace came running after me. So, you can just play a B chord, but all the interesting color and stuff is coming because of that augmented 5 and the dominant 7. So, that's when grace came running, C major 7, and then A minor dominant, and then grace came running after, that's to be a E minor 7, running after me. Grace is like a river. So that's just a passing minor 5 dominant. Between the 6 and the 4, you can pass through that 5. That's a gospel move. Minor 6, minor 5 dominant, down to 4 major 7. So near the end of the song, we start hitting that. We don't throw it at the beginning. The beginning is a little more sparse, a little more basic. As the song develops, we'll start throwing that passing chord in there, which really helps. Okay, so what's that? That's like a flat 7, flat 1, flat 2, up to the minor 2. And it's not major or minor. It's a no third. It's called a 5 chord. So it's like a F sharp 5 chord. So there's not a third. It's not major or minor. And then a G sharp 5 chord. Not major or minor. So basically, I'm just hitting those root notes. Bass players are the same. But it's not like... And neither is it like this. So it's really just like the 1, 5... like a power chord. When I was lost and far away. That makes sense? Okay, so the verse starts on the A minor dominant. When I was lost and far, G major 7. Wait. So G chord with that major 7 in it. Here's the 8, major 7. Not dominant, not there. That's dominant. Here's major 7. So, when I was lost and far away. Hear the F sharp. That is giving you a lot of mileage. Drifting like a ship, F sharp minor, without a B minor, without a sail. When I was still your enemy, that's when grace came. That's when grace came. So if you're gonna set up a new section, there's your 3 dominant augmented chord. It takes you into the chorus, which we've already walked through. Only last section is the bridge. Starts on a 5, C's, D, and then raise the whole chord to diminish. So sharp 5 diminished. That's what you always play. Sharp 5 diminished to go to a minor 6. That's the gospel move. Seems too good to be true. It's just like E minor. You're always A major, dominant. A dominant. If it feels too big to embrace. So you could also play that as like a, what's that? Basically here it's a B over D sharp, but I think it sounds better diminished. Feels too big to embrace, must be grace. So you could also do, feels too big to embrace. It's not as funky or fun, but it kind of works. Not as well though. So, big to embrace, it must be grace. E minor, simple chord. So I think those are all your sections. If you want to do the rap thing, go for it. I'll put the lyrics in here. They are written by D. Wilson and poorly rapped by me. The song is special because there's not another worship song that sounds like it, and I can just tell you it works with just an acoustic. I promise, I've led this song for fundraisers that were full of wealthy 50, 60, and 70-year-olds. And I had them all like, okay, what's this? I mean, after you've been leading Great is Thy Faithfulness and How Great is Our God, it's kind of nice to hear something pretty different. And they loved it. And then we've been leading the song for several years with full band, very much a reggae feel, almost like a Mute Mathey even reggae feel. And it's the song that everyone's walking around camp all week singing, why, oh, oh. And you're like, are you sure? Trust me, it's crazy. It works. It's got a great message, great feel, and I think it's a really nice challenge as a guitar player to learn. So, have fun, good luck, and let me know how it goes.
It must be crazy. No, I've never seen your face. I seen the way you pulled me out the depth of my disgrace. I know your love and mercy follow me for all my days in every way, and I believe it because that's what the songs say. Facts. I was spinning my own Olympics, thought I was winning till I hit the hurdle that left me limping, stumbling. My heart was racing, my blood was pumping, thought the air was coming till I looked up, and that's when grace came running, and it caught me. Then we found it finally amazing. No words can explain it. If I try to contain it, it bubbles up, bursting out of the seams. I give thanks for this grace. Every breath that I breathe and say, why yo?